A performance by the children's choir of the Vasa Pavic Music School and the outdoor preschool organised by the Pedagogical Centre NGO and the Faculty for Preschool Education has again gathered children and parents in downtown Berane and Andrijevica. In order to promote preschools as the best educational environment for children aged 3 to 6, UNICEF and the Montenegrin Ministry of Education launched the Preschool For All campaign in the northern region of Montenegro, where the percentage of preschool enrollment rates is the lowest. Lilja Šćekić, a parent from Berane, says that the UNICEF campaign motivated her to enroll her children in kindergarten.
Od septembra planiramo da se upišemo u vrtić. Dosta ova UNICEF organizacija koja je sve ovo priredila, dosta nas je motivisala i još više nas natjerala da djecu pošaljemo u vrtić jer je jako lijepo, jako je kreativno.
Zato što ja smatram da je jako važno ići u vrtiću i zbog same socijalizacije ličnosti, zbog pogleda na budući život, smatram da im je mnogo lakše i zbog druženja i zbog shvatanja suštine života.
Za vrtić sam. Djeci do sada i dede i baba i sve djeca hoće društvo. Ona su srećna kad ih je više.
Scientific studies worldwide show that good quality preschool education boosts the socio-economic development of the entire country, as it leads to better educational achievement, optimal child development and reduction in the unemployment rate. Children's experiences also show us the importance of early enrollment of children in preschool.
Naučila sam pjesmice, sa drugarima sam se mnogo igrala i najbolja drugarica mi je bila Vladana i ja sam voljela da se igram u kuhinjicu i voljela sam moje učiteljice. Da crtam, da se igram, da gledam crtane sve. U vrtiću sam učio da brojim do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moje omiljeno jelo je u vrtić pasulj.
More than 40% of parents who live in the north of Montenegro and whose children do not go to preschool say that the main reason for not enrolling their children in preschool is their difficult financial situation. The study on investing in early childhood education, recently presented by UNICEF, recommends introducing a free preschool preparatory program that lasts for 3 hours daily for every child, and explains how to achieve this through spending the current preschool education budget more efficiently. The director of the preschool in Andrijevica, Berane and Andrijevica, thinks that the introduction of a 3-hour free preschool preparatory program will increase the enrollment of young children in preschool.
Imamo veliki broj porodica koje imaju materijalno obezbeđenje porodice. Nadam se kroz ovaj vid UNICEF, aktivnosti UNICEF i Ministarstva prosvjete da ćemo iznaći mogućnosti da svu djecu pokušamo da dovedemo bar u tom skraćenom programu u narednom periodu.
Lalovic recalled that enrolment in preschool is currently in progress and urged all parents to give their children the best start in life by enrolling them in preschool.